Let's be real, HOAs aren't for everyone. Whether it's the constant fines, the parking rules, or the board trying to control how you live in your own home, you've now decided that it's time to go. And today I'm walking through how to sell your home in an HOA and move into a property with no HOA step by step. We're talking everything from the legal prep to marketing your home to finding the right non-HOA property where you'll actually get to live on your own terms. So if you're ready to sell smart and buy freedom, this video is for you. Before we list anything, you've got to understand your HOA's exit process. You have to first ask for your HOA resale disclosure package. This typically includes the CC&Rs, financials, any pending litigation info, and yes, the buyer is going to ask for it. You have to know the transfer fees or the capital improvement fees. Some HOAs charge $300 to $500 just to transfer the ownership. And you want to take note of any pending fines. You want to clean up those now so that they don't come up later. And any unpaid fines can delay closing or scare away buyers. This is your pre-game checklist. Get ahead of it and you'll save yourself time, stress, and surprises down the road. Here's the truth when you're selling an HOA home. The goal is to sell it for top dollar to someone who actually wants to live in an HOA. That way you can cash out and move on. So how do we do that? We'll make your home stand out to HOA buyers. Clean and compliant curb appeal will resolve any past violations that occurred. If the HOA has a pool, gym, or security, we'll use it to your advantage while marketing the home. You don't have to love your HOA anymore, but we're still going to use it as selling points to help you sell and buy your new home. Next, we will set the right price and launch a high converting marketing plan. I don't just throw your home on the MLS. I do professional photography, listing videos and reels, targeted marketing to out-of-state and in-state buyers, highlighting the benefits of the community to buyers who want the HOA structure. And yes, timing matters. So if your community has seasonal amenities, open houses during spring or summer will hit harder. And don't worry, I handle all the communication with the HOA for the documents, the disclosures, and the compliance checks, so you can focus on other things during this move. Now, while we're marketing your current home, we're not just waiting around. We start to search for your no HOA dream home ASAP. Why? Because the last thing you want is to sell your house and then feel rushed or stuck picking the best of what's left. Some sellers have that mentality. This is where I go to work based on your budget, your lifestyle, and your non-negotiables. I'll build a custom list of properties in the valley and the surrounding areas with no HOA, space friendly. Maybe you have an RV that you need parked, if you were looking for larger lots. Also, if you need a specific zoning for flexibility, and also still make sure that you are close to schools, freeways, etc. No cookie cutter search results here. We're hunting for homes that let you live free within your lifestyle. Once your HOA home goes under contract, we make sure the move to your next property is seamless. So I'll coordinate your close of escrow timelines, any contingencies, so that way you're not left homeless in between the moves, and the title company communications for both deals, and any final walkthroughs or HOA clearance and the buyer documentation. So if you're moving into a no HOA property that needs some work, I'll also connect you with trusted contractors, any lenders, and movers, because I don't just help you move out, I help you move on. And this is a pro tip. Don't wait until you're emotionally over the HOA to start planning. You're already frustrated with them. The earlier we talk, the more options you have and the smoother the move. So even if you're 6 to 12 months out, let's map it out now and create a game plan. If you're ready to sell your HOA home smart and to step in a life where you don't have to ask for permission to live, send me a text message with the word No-HOA to 480-710-7696 and I'll send you my complete checklist plus available homes in the area that match your needs with obviously no HOA. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe because I have a beautiful no HOA home tour coming out very soon in the next couple days. Freedom starts with one decision. Let's make it a good one.